In this video, I'll show you how you can reset the pin on your Samsung Smart TV. This is very easy, but you do need to follow along and be precise and do exactly as I do. I'm going to explain it to you, and I can guarantee you will get your pin reset. So open up and start your TV, and you should be on the home page to do this. Now, to reset it, the only way that you can reset it is by entering in a combination on your controller. Now, I'm going to have a visual controller on screen now, and I'm also going to show you in real time the buttons that I press. The first thing we need to understand though, we're going to be using this button here, the volume up and down button. As well as being able to press this volume up and down, you can also press it in and it will mute your TV. So you'll be able to see the mute icon here on the left. To start the combination, we need to press mute. So just know when I mention mute, I'm pushing the button in, not up or not down, I'm pushing it in. We also have this return button, which as well we're going to need to press. So the buttons we need to press are going to be mute, volume up, volume down, and return. We need to do that in a very specific order, which I will show you right now. So you have to do this quite fast, so I'm going to do my best to explain it as I do it. So you want to press mute, volume up, return, volume down, return, volume up, return. You probably have to do it a bit faster than that again, so I'm just going to do that one more time. So that's mute, volume up, return, volume down, return, volume up, return. I hope you got that. So you do that in a combination, right? Then once you've done that, it will essentially reset your password and PIN. You will get no notification saying that it's done, but then you can go and check by going to settings. You can then go all the way to the right and you'll find all settings. If you click on that, and you then scroll down to General and Privacy, you can then go to System Manager, then you can go to Change PIN, and if you've entered in that combination, it will reset the PIN to 0000. Enter in that PIN, it will then let you in, and it will let you then change a new PIN. Now, if this isn't working for you, it's because you're entering in this combination too slow, so replay the video and make sure you know the combination and you enter it in fast, and it will reset. Thank you for watching, and let me know in the comments if it worked.